Welcome to Decor Ideas, where we explore the best interior design concepts. In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of industrial yet intimate design, blending the raw, unrefined beauty of brutalism with the sleek, understated elegance of minimalism. If you're a fan of bold, statement-making spaces that still feel cozy and welcoming, this is the perfect fusion for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you enjoy these design ideas and want to see more. Brutalism is an architectural style that emerged in the mid-20th century, characterized by its raw, unfinished materials, often concrete, and bold, geometric forms. This style embraces the concept of functionality over decoration, creating structures that are meant to be powerful and imposing. While often perceived as cold and uninviting, brutalism can also bring an unmatched sense of strength and integrity to a space. On the other hand, minimalism is a design philosophy that focuses on simplicity, where every item has a purpose. Clean lines, neutral colors, and the reduction of clutter are key principles of minimalism. This design style creates a serene, peaceful environment that promotes mindfulness and calm. It's the perfect contrast to brutalism's boldness, offering an element of quietness and openness to a room. The fusion of brutalism and minimalism creates a balanced aesthetic that's both striking and intimate. Imagine a room with raw concrete walls softened by minimal furniture pieces. The heaviness of brutalism is countered by the calmness of minimalism, resulting in a space that feels both grounded and serene. This blend can make a room feel spacious yet cozy, bold yet welcoming. In a space that combines brutalism and minimalism, material choice is key. Concrete and steel are iconic brutalist materials that give the space its strong, industrial feel. But by incorporating warm elements such as wood or soft textiles, you can bring in the comfort and intimacy that minimalism excels at. A steel-framed chair or a wooden accent table can create harmony between the cold and the warm, the rugged and the soft. The color palette for an industrial yet intimate design is usually kept neutral, with shades of gray, black, and white taking center stage. These tones emphasize the brutalist rawness. However, adding subtle accents of muted tones, earthy greens, warm browns, or soft beiges, can infuse warmth into the space and enhance the intimate atmosphere. This restrained approach allows the design elements to speak for themselves without overwhelming the senses. Lighting in this design style plays a dual role. It must be functional while creating the right mood. Industrial lighting fixtures like exposed bulbs or pendant lights made of raw materials work beautifully in a space that mixes brutalism and minimalism. These lights offer both form and function, casting warm, intimate glows that soften the harshness of concrete and steel. When selecting furniture for an industrial yet intimate space, opt for pieces that are minimalistic in design but still make a statement. A steel-framed sofa with simple lines, a reclaimed wood coffee table, or a minimalist shelving unit can create a look that's both functional and eye-catching. Each piece should have a purpose, contributing to the overall feel of the space without overwhelming it. To further enhance the intimate vibe, adding natural elements like plants can soften the rawness of the industrial style. Greenery contrasts beautifully with the hard edges of brutalist design, bringing life and vitality to the space. A large potted plant in the corner or hanging greenery can break up the harsh lines and add a touch of serenity to your industrial yet intimate sanctuary. As we wrap up, we've seen how combining brutalism with minimalism can create a powerful yet intimate living space. The industrial elements bring strength and character, while the minimalist touches offer comfort and tranquility. If you love these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on this design fusion below. What other styles would you like to see blended? We'd love to hear from you.